SUPVIS-Justin is a fantastic experiment because it takes human-robotic interaction up to a new level. We have a test here of a robotic system that is controlled by an astronaut in a spacecraft, in a space station in this case, and the robot is actually located on the surface of a planet. Well, in this case it's a test planet, it's Earth, right? Later on this could be Mars, it could be the Moon. All right, I'm coming a bit closer to the SBU-1. The scenario is as we are the crew on orbit around Mars, and we send a rover down there as the first scout to see how the conditions are like, whether it's safe, what the atmospheric parameters are. And so we command that rover, but the difference to how rovers were commanded in the past is that this rover actually knows to navigate by himself. So I don't have to tell him every millimeter to move in which direction or what to do exactly, but I just give him high-level commands like check out this solar panel or pick up this rock, and he will actually do that. So we would send a robot, for example, to the surface of Mars who scouts out all the surroundings, and we can control it from the spacecraft in orbit around Mars. It's still important that we do that, that we're close by as humans, because of course Mars can be as far away as 20 minutes of light speed travel time, meaning like all controls that somebody on Earth would send would take 20 minutes to go forth and back. So it's much easier to do when a human does that right from an orbital around Mars, controlling that robot, and then doing those first steps of exploration on the new planet. This is an exciting robotics test. It will take us to a new level of autonomous robots cooperating with humans, and that's not only useful, of course, for exploration, that is very useful also on Earth. For example, you're in a remote location and you get really sick and you need surgery, but the specialist is not around, he's on a different continent. Well, you could have a robotic surgery performed remotely over a remote connection from another continent. So as often in spaceflight, we develop one thing, but it's useful all over the place.